you can see me. This is my sleeping bag, and here is my pillow, air pillow, and this is the bed. If you see, this is the bed. So right now outside is the about 13 to 12 degree temperature, last check. So in the morning it can reach about maybe 7 or 8 degree. So yeah, it's getting cold. So but I have good enough warm things, so I should be fine. See, this is the second night in the forest of the Lao, and right now I'm on the mountain. So top view I can get in the tomorrow morning. This took me about 9 hours to be here. About 14 kilometer of hike, quite stiff and then straight up. So was a bit challenging, but anyway completed, and here I am right